Hello guys! Jay Kumanangan TV here. As you can see, may pamic na tayo para sa ating bagong podcast. Hindi, joke lang. Podcast na may movie review dito sa pelikulang Wicked. So, lucky tayo dahil naka-attend tayo sa special event screening ng Wicked sa SM Aura. At this is brought to us ng Universal Pictures. Ayan. So, nandun din yung Metro. So, yung mga nandun yung mga influencers, mga artists, mga celebrities, mga Jimmy Sparkle artists nandun din, and mga kasama kong content creators. So, it was a good and spectacular yung labas, yung theme, dahil talagang all you have to do is take some pictures there, take some videos para may memories. And fan kasi ako ni Stel. And pumunta siya sa Australia for the advanced screening, talagang premiere night, diba? So parang syempre, talagang nag-matchy-matchy na rin tayo na may pink because I love and I'm a fan of Ariana Grande. So she's playing Glinda here. So may saysay yung accidentally na binili kong color because mint green dapat yung in-order ko sa seller. Pero wala na daw. So available na daw magenta, pink or whatever. So yeah. So ito yung ginamit ko or sinuot ko doon sa premiere or special event screening sa SM Aura. So, last November 16, okay? So, yeah, talagang ang saya-saya talaga. It was an overwhelming, spectacular feeling and amazing because, Wicked is all about magic. It's all about wonderful performances and a song that we can say unlimited. My future is unlimited. Tama ba yung lyrics? Defying Gravity. So I love that song so much. Talagang kinakanta ko yan here and there. And ang saya lang ma-witness na may pelikula na. Siyempre from Broadway. And ito na. Movie ni Ariana and Cynthia. Wicked. Kaya naman pag-usapan natin. Tara! So ito guys, ito yung ticket ng I'm collecting kasi ticket sa mga ina-attendan kong mga premiere nights and special event screening. So this is the Wicked, Everyone Deserves the Chance to Fly. So yun yung sinabi ni Elphaba, 'di ba? Kay Glinda. So parang ang saya-saya lang talaga na ma-witness itong ganitong movie because I love musical. I love Broadway that they turned it into a movie. Yan, yung Miss Saigon, may live movie siya. The Phantom of the Opera, Les Miserables, ayun, di ba? Ang saya lang talaga na meron na tayong 2024 Wicked movie, part 1, ha? Ayun. So, let's get into it, okay? So, parang yung movie, parang more than 2 hours siya. So talagang very sulit talaga or parang pa 3 hours na rin eh. More than sulit kasi nag-start ata mga 6:45 pa 7, tapos natapos siya mga 9:10, 9:20, ganon. So, hindi ko na malayan yung oras because I love every bit of the scenes. I love the performances. I love those songs so much na talagang hindi ka maboboard. Ako kasi, if you follow me, alam nyo kung paano ako mag-review. Parang kapag malikot ako sa sinehan, malikot ako sa seat ko, nabobore ako. So, dito guys, no. I just lay down and just watch it sa IMAX. So, kapag IMAX naman talaga, ang ganda talaga ng movie experience mo and worth it talaga, lalo-lalo na sa SM Aura. And, okay, I didn't expect anything kasi hindi ko talaga kasi alam yung premise nung story, yung ano nga ba yung magiging story niya, ano yung papel ni Glinda, ni Ariana, ni Cynthia, Kasi hindi pa ako nakakapanood kahit na may YouTube version na ng mga musical plays. Parang walang time na manood. Parang gusto ko kasi movie. Parang mas gusto ko kasi HD pag manonood ako ng mga musical. Lalo-lalo na kung live version because I only watched one musical in my entire life, which is Hamilton. Tas hindi pa si Rachel Amgo yung Eliza. So, anyway. Ayun. So, I really love watching musical plays, lalo na live and then HD. So, whenever there is an HD version or live version, I am willing to watch. Pero yung mga Wicked kasi na nasa YouTube or whatever, hindi siya, parang gusto ko kasi panoorin yung maganda. Yung maganda na talaga, di ba? So, I don't get the chance to watch um, any Wicked movie or musical plays. So, ito na nga, um, wala akong na-expect. Di ko alam ano yung story nito. Basta alam ko, wicked and whatever. Parang, alam ko naman magkaibigan sila, tas turned into enemies. Parang ganon. Pero guys, grabe din talaga yung experience. Kasi, I love Glinda so much. I love her scenes, every bit of her scenes. I love how she portray Ariana Grande took it so much talaga na 'di ba medyo may pagka-pink parang favorite niya talaga yung pink ni Glinda, no? So parang nung una kong nakita yung scene ni Ariana doon, parang huh, it's just reminded me of Sharpay of High School Musical, which is an icon also, a Disney icon, 'di ba? Played by Ashley Tisdale. So she's good dun sa she was definitely a good character dun sa High School Musical, right? Talagang may three sequel pa yun, 'di ba? Pero nung nakita ko, ano 'to, magiging ano ba si Ariana, parang maarte or whatever, parang may pagka-Sharpay. But you should watch and see the film with no spoiler dito, guys, walang spoiler. Ayoko mag-spoil, basta gusto ko lang magkwento kung ano nga ba yung na-feel ko sa movie, ano ba yung nagustuhan ko sa movie and all that. I love her scene so much. Basta't. Talagang she portrayed perfectly and amazing, and I love her visual. I really love her so much. Talagang mapapa-in love. Mas lalo ka bang may in love sa character ni Ariana dito, which is she is Glinda. Talagang I am Glinda. Ayun, parang siya talaga. She's not Ariana, she's Glinda. Perfect talaga. While Cynthia, I love her voice so much. I don't know na she's a singer. I know she sings well, pero hindi ko alam na gano'n ka-powerful yung boses niya. You know, when she sung Defying Gravity and also the part one, which is yung nasa grass siya, I don't want to spoil, pero yung nasa grass siya, wow, fantastic. Buo ng boses niya, she effortless, ang galing ng pagkakaportray niya with her emotions, with her eyes, that talagang nagre-read talaga yung eyes niya, no? Parang, wow, she's perfect also to be Alphaba. Um, yes, yung powerful scene niya sa umpisa and yung dulo, which is the Defying Gravity. We all know that the part one of Wicked is the Defying Gravity moment of Alphaba and Glinda, you know. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Talagang tumayo yung balahibo ko, guys, while watching the entire film and also the performances of um the Defying Gravity in the end, you know. And also what I like the other performance or what I like about the performance of Ariana Grande while she sings or perform, I think the popular, you know. I know there's snippets na rin in social media, no, in TikTok na may mga snippets na rin. So hindi na to spoil, hindi na to um lihid sa kaalaman ng lahat na ang ganda talaga. Pero yung whole song or the entire, wow, amazing talaga. I love musical movies talaga so much, which is um ano siya sa akin, inner child ko siya sa akin na parang kasi I want to join a musical din somehow or nung bata ako. And maybe I don't know kung matutuloy pa, but parang gusto ko talaga 'yon. Parang na-amaze talaga ako na ang perfect ng pagkakagawa nila. And also the events, the the yung background, yung mga ginagawa nilang mga set design, wow talaga. May napanood ako sa TikTok, parang they didn't use CGI or green screen or whatever. They did the actual set. Oh, really? And then they shot it in UK. Wow, grabe, amazed talaga nung narinig napanood ko 'yon. Wow, mas lalo ako na-amaze sa director, the cast, napaka-perfect talaga. Talagang they ang ganda, like sa Emerald City rin. Wow, talaga. You know what? Wala kayong mapupulot sa akin na kwento. yung reaction ko lang lahat. Kasi I I was amazed dun sa movie, dun sa kinalabasan. And I'm sure this will break box office record kasi um, hindi ka talaga magsisisi na mapapanood mo ito. Lalo sa IMAX or in cinemas nearest you dahil available na ito at mapapanood na ito simula November 22 worldwide and including here in the Philippines. Grabe din talaga. Talagang napaka-lucky ko dahil na-witness ko ito firsthand and my reaction, talagang kinalibutan ako. May scene doon, yung dalawa na may iyak ka na lang because it talks about friends, it talks about family, it talks about favoritism, it talks about love, and it talks about love for and care for animals. So wow, in that one big movie, ganun yung itatakal nila. Hindi mo ba papanoorin, 'di ba? So, talaga super happy ako. And ito pa guys, this is a one of a lifetime experience kasi I got the chance to sing the Defying Gravity moment doon sa SM Aura before the screening. And five kami or six, tapos two yung lucky winners. And then meron silang bag of nail art or whatever. Sabi kasi nung winner, yun yung nail art or parang worth 7K. And then yung mga hindi nanalo, including me, I know naman, hindi ako mananalo doon. Kapalan lang na mukha. Eh, meron kaming consolation prize, which is, papakita ko sa inyo. And so this is the merch that I got because of singing Divine Gravity. Yeah. Na nagkalat, na kinapala ng mukha. So this is Wicked stainless steel tumbler. So they gave it to us, yung mga hindi nanalo. So, ang ganda kasi ang laki niya, guys. Really. So, first, ang ganda ng packaging. Talagang, wow. Yun nga lang wala yung mukha ng dalawa, but it's still okay, you know. Having this one, after watching the film or na bit-bit ko ito, wow. It feels amazing, di ba? So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna open it and share with you guys. Ooh, it's a big tumbler. It's a big, wow. First time ko to nakita ng buo At isi-share ko sa inyo, guys. Wow, ang laki niya. Wow! Amazing, di ba? Wicked! Talagang ano siya, guys, oh. Wow, ang saya. Wicked! Ang saya lang, guys, ng experience because um, meron pa tayong pa ganito na bigay ng Universal Pictures Philippines. Thank you very much for this one. And it has a straw. So whenever na magjujuice ako or water, I'm gonna use this one because it feels amazing. It's an experience that I cannot hindi ko makakalimutan. Yun. And yes, yung kinanta ko kasi yun sa dulo na. Kasi yung mga iba, ang gagaling talaga nila. They came from The Clash. They came from drag queen na talagang very, yung voice nila powerful. Yung iba yata nasa play. Parang ang galing talaga. Kasi it's a mix of content creators, influencers, artists, yung mga nag-join or nag-attend sa special event screening ng Wicked sa SMR sa Philippines. Okay, so, oh my God, nahiya ako. Parang, tell them I am defying gravity. I think I tried defying gravity. So I don't wanna win now. And nobody and all of us, no wizard always there or was, is ever gonna bring me down. Whoa! Ganun. So, it's not perfect, but I really love the song and the meaning of the song. Talagang, wow. You deserve to fly, and you deserve to watch The Wicked here in the Philippines starting November 22 in cinemas nationwide. Bring your families, bring your friends, bring your loved ones, and watch this spectacular film, amazing film. And this is if you plus if you are a fan of Ariana Grande just like me, you're gonna love this film. So thank you for watching. This has been Chico Manahan TV. Till next podcast or movie review. Thank you. Bye bye.